your child or children happy? There are a lot of things, but I will just only be sharing to you what works for my baby, for my daughter. I'm not saying that I'm an expert of it. It's just what I found that makes her happy. So one of those things, like let's say food. We all know that a child with autism are likely to be choosy with food. So I'm very blessed that I'm able to adjust her. She becomes open-minded and trying different types of food. So I just want to share it to you guys. She likes Jollibee spaghetti. It is her top favorite. Okay. Use the spoon. Okay, do it. Go na, princess. So here's my baby girl, and with my little cousin. Do you do that? That's too big, baby. No, not like that. You have a small mouth. Okay. Alright, very good. Okay. She doesn't like chicken so much, so if in case she doesn't eat that or whatsoever, she might need to pair with rice. So I have the rice. They can share if Princess needs rice. So how to make your child or children happy is actually a broad question. So it depends on how we approach it or how we understand it. And also, what are our beliefs? One of her favorites is spaghetti. Jollibee spaghetti. But at home, when I'm making ali olio or Italian spaghetti, she loves that. But outside, she likes spaghetti. When I become a full-time mom to her, it was not too late for me to adjust. To make her adaptive, to make her flexible in whatever the things that are good for her, especially with food. So even though she loves spaghetti, I occasionally give her that like once a week or something. Like especially before, I always cook Italian spaghetti and she loves it. But then, especially at home, my mother always likes to have tinolang isda or gulay. So she is used to it now, and then it becomes part of her life already. The second thing that makes her happy is water. She loves swimming. So that's why whenever water, pool, or beach is available, I always want to have time to bring her there, swim, because she likes swimming. She knows a little bit of it, floating and splashing. So she doesn't care if she's hungry, she doesn't care if it's too hot, if it's raining. What is important to her is water. Third thing I know that she loves is playground, like where you can see balls. I forgot the exact term of that. That's what she loves. Actually, the first thing that she loves is bubbles. When it comes to food, she likes spaghetti. And then third is water. Everything that's with water, she loves it. Like fountains. And then fourth is playground. She loves slides. Of course, every kid loves that. So there's no question. So I'm just very happy because though 3 out of 5 neurodevelopmental pediatricians that I talked to, they said that she's having a mild autism. I'm very glad that she's just like a normal, like she's having that mild autism, but she looks like just normal like any other kids. She loves those things that other kids would love as well. So she's not really far from, normal children. I know that God chose me to become her mother because God trusted me that I can do it. So just everything to me. Yeah, there are a lot of things that we can do to make our children happy. How to find it out? Well, first step is to introduce them with all of those things available, and then find out which of those things that are very entertaining for them. And you start from there. And of course, every one of us wants to have a balanced life, and we see ourselves like whenever, like how I deal with it, like when I found myself in a place where I can say, oh, I'm too much of it, I am lack of that part, I'm lack of this part, I have to bring back myself at the center so I can balance everything. So let's say too much of this topic, I'm too much of this situation, and I forgot the other things that I need so much of my attention. So it's just that we will be able to figure it out. Whenever we think that things are not normal anymore, just go back to the basic and you'll be able to figure it out how to put your life in balance or how to do things in balance again. So it's just a matter of acknowledging the things that are overlapping. You'll be able to figure it out the next step that you can do. So, because we love our children, we always want to make them happy, and because their happiness is priceless. What makes them happy makes you happy as well. So that's why I've always wanted to bring her to playground, water, where she can play. But of course, as a mother, we have a lot of responsibilities. That's why I feel guilty not to always be able to bring her, but I'm able to recover. I am making sure that I am able to recover what I lost, so what I missed. So she'll be able to cope up, especially the things that would make her improve. Of course, every day we want to be productive as possible. So since I also need to do a follow-up for my eyebrows, so I just waited to do it until the day that I'm able to bring her to the playground. So I can do it all together at once. So I'll put them to the playground, tell them they can enjoy unlimited time until I come back from the salon for my eyebrows, because it would take 1 hour actually. So from there, you can already play with them for the rest of the day. So let's go. It's so sunny. Very sunny. Look at the clouds over there. Ready to play? So hot, super hot. You had fun? Yes? What do you want more? What do you want more? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? You want more? What more? Huh? Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, bye.